Today I have a very cool padlock for you guys. It's Albert Lebel padlock. It's a PACLOCK. Probably already know Albert Lebel, but if you don't, please go to and check his channel. He's a fantastic guy, fantastic picker, and this is a fantastic padlock. He already sent me a bunch of locks, and one of them is this one, a black aluminum anodized, pretty, like very pretty padlock. And here's the package that it arrived. So it's 200A, 1 shekel, color black, key different, keyway P0, made in USA. Yeah, family owned company, so fantastic. Already have a couple of his stickers that I get. So it's a PACLOCK sticker and Albert Lebel stickers and his card. So fantastic package. So here's the key, here's the P0 PACLOCK, 6-pin lock. The beading is more or less okay, not that wild. And on the other side there is some kind of a numbers, 23643. Probably from that number you can get the beading from PACLOCK. And the padlock works very nice. It's and you can guide it, so there is a screw there, and I think this one is for the shackle, so you can change the shackle. And as far as I know, as far as I can see, some other pickers, they inside their security pins usually spools and serrated, and I will try to use moderate tension. It's going to be very interesting how I'm going to pick, and of course the force diamond, my usual. So yeah, let's start. Click from 1 to it's binding, 1 click, 2 clicks from 2, 3 is binding, come on, click from 3, 4 nothing, 5 it's binding, come on, click from 5 and 6 nothing. Let's go from start. 1 is binding again, click from 1, 2, hopefully you can see, 2 is binding, 3 it's 2 clicks again. So I think I dropped that because I already picked it as far as I can remember, and nothing. So let's go again. I think 1 is still binding, click from 1, yeah, and small turn on the core, click from 3, and now I think 6, no, nothing from 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, click from 6, 1, 2, 3, click from 4, another small turn on the core, 3, 4, 5, nothing on 6. So I'm stuck somewhere. Let's check all the pins, put them, click from 3, and we are open. It's not that trivial pick, to be honest. So if you know what is inside and what are the pins, more or less, if you know how to pick, more or less similar to American lock, to be honest, then it's a pretty, how to say, okay pick, but very tricky for someone who is a beginner. So it's not that trivial pick for me, and I did had hard time picking. So to open this one, I try to find, but I think this is not a metric. So I think I find out that this T15, it's allow me to open it. Probably it's not the right for this specific thing, but I don't have the imperial one, so So let's start guiding this one. So here is the core. I can lock it. Here that pin, here's the plate and the screw. Let me try to remove that, and let's try to remove the shackle. I want to do a full gutting, so I think this is a metric, so I think they mixed somehow maybe for some reason they mixed so this is like a grub screw, yeah, and I can feel that the shackle wants to pop out. And what did I do? Yeah, the shackle wants to, yeah, the ball bearing. Wait. Here's the one ball bearing. Here is that mechanism inside. Locking mechanism. Here's how it looks like. And here's the shackle. So you can always change the shackle. Good. So let's try now to disassemble. So let me try to zoom in a bit and show you all the pins. To be honest, this is a pretty nice lock. I'm very glad that all 6 chambers are populated, and we have first 4 keeping standard and 2 serrated, then last 2 serrated. We have a spool in 1, 3 and 5, serrated in 2 and 4, and standard, and there's a long standard one. And they're interesting serrated ones. I want to show you close up. Hopefully we can see that. It's like a temper on the top. So it's a very nice small serrated pin, and here's the spool. Spool is more or less the same, like tempered on the top and bottom, and it looks like this. It's a smaller, and this is like a bigger part of the spool. So yeah, fantastic lock, fantastic pack lock. A number, it was, let me move it up, it was number pack lock number 200A by Albert Lebel. Albert, thank you very much for sending this to me, guys. Please go check his channel. I will put links somewhere here to his channel. Fantastic guy, fantastic picker. Thanks for watching. So have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.